welcome to myToyS TV. Today I have a new McDonald beer. Just kidding, I have a lot of McDonald's toys and I'm going to open some of them because it's nighttime and I'm wearing pajamas. Okay.
This is what? This is My Little Pony. This is a Pinkie Pie. This is a Pinkie Pie rubber stamp.
It has a top.
Yeah, rubber stamp with chalk. It's My Little Pony. Okay, it's mine, right?
No.
It's mine.
No.
Mine. Okay, please.
Okay, let's open it. I already wanted to open this in a long time because I know it has a stamp in it, and then I really wanted to open it until now. I'm so excited to open just this one.
It's a Pinkie Pie.
We got the paper for you to stamp. Here's the paper. We got 3 papers. We got the stamp. It's a button stamp. Let me see inside. You shape it, not stamp it. Then you got some My Little Pony. Let's try to stamp out, should we?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take one piece of paper, open the stamp, then put it here. Now close it, use Pinkie Pie to stop it. Wait for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It did not work. Only I can see it a little bit, but on camera I don't think you can see it. Do you see it, guys?
You see nothing.
I see nothing, but I see something only a little bit. Let's try it again. This time I use arm string. I'll use... Should I use the whole earth to make this?
No, it's impossible. Can you make the shape? Let's see what happens.
It's better. I don't think if you guys can see it though.
Yeah, let me.
Quite better.
Yeah, we can see the watermark or.
It's not a watermark.
Yeah,
it's a balloon.
Yeah, you can see that.
You're
Yeah,
holding
now.
it sideways.
Yeah, we can see it now here, right?
You're holding it upside down. Yeah, this is supposed to be Pinkie Pie's cutie mark.
Yeah. So, are you
Okay.
done?
Let's move on to the next video. Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you on next time. Goodbye, Pinkie Pies.